UNK's Office of Student Engagement is committed to building future leaders. Our pillars include student government, fraternity and sorority life, LOPER programming and activities council, and student and family transitions.
Of course, people do come to college to get their degree, but I would say that becoming involved really enhances that college experience.
But it's also important to have those social interactions and to be involved so that you can meet new people, you can learn about them, and you are not just, enclosed in your own bubble, but you space out, and then, you learn so much, you grow as a person.
It's important to have fun, it's important to take a break, it's important to make friends and just kind of find your people on campus. I loved when I lived on campus, you could walk into the union and there'd be someone boothing or someone promoting their organization or this event.
The student engagement is just that, they never run out of events. They are so mindful of the students' needs, and they always think of how to better a student's experience here at UNK, and that is what I like.
Our primary goals align with the Student Affairs mission of personal growth, professional development, and community engagement. Studies show that students who are involved have a higher retention rate and better campus experience, all while building leadership skills. Be involved and find out how to make the most of your college experience at UNK.